In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept payments on Wix using Getting Paid, Paylinks, and Invoices. First, let's open your Payments Hub. From your Wix dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and find the option called Getting Paid. Click it to enter the central place where you manage everything related to payments. Think of this as your control room for connecting providers, creating links, sending invoices, and keeping things organized. Next, set up your payment methods. Inside Getting Paid, select Connect and Setup. You'll see options for providers like credit and debit cards, digital wallets, and third-party processors. Choose the ones that fit how your customers like to pay. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect each provider and take a moment to confirm that your business name, address, and contact details exactly match what the provider expects. Consistent information helps avoid verification delays and ensures smooth payouts. Once at least one method is connected, you can create a pay link. In the Getting Paid section, look for Paylink or Accept Payments. Create a new link, then set the amount, add a clear description so customers know what they're paying for, and choose the correct currency. When you're done, copy the link and share it by email, messaging apps, social media, or embed it as a button on your site. This is a quick way to get paid without building a full checkout page. You can also create and send invoices right from Wix. In the same area, click Invoices or Create Invoice. Add the customer's name and email, include an item description and amount, then set the due date and payment terms so expectations are clear. Send the invoice directly from Wix, and your customer will receive a secure link to pay online using the methods you've enabled. If you sell products or services on your site, enable payments in your checkout. Go to Settings, then Payments, or open your store or service settings. Confirm your connected payment methods are turned on so they appear at checkout. While you're there, make sure your taxes, shipping rules, and product prices are correctly configured. A clear checkout reduces friction and helps customers complete their purchase with confidence. Finally, keep your payment options up to date. Periodically return to Getting Paid, then connect and set up to add new providers or remove ones you no longer use. Keep your business and store details current with each provider so payouts continue without interruption. That's how you accept payments on Wix. By connecting payment methods in Getting Paid, creating paylinks or invoices, and enabling your chosen options in the checkout, you can start accepting money from customers wherever they choose to buy. Thanks for watching, and keep your payment options up to date as your business grows.